If you're thinking about getting into embroidery, whether it's for a creative hobby, custom gifts, or even launching a small business, the machines available right now are better and more affordable than ever. But with so many options, picking the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why I've broken down the 7 best embroidery machines across every level, from total beginner to commercial production, so you can find the perfect match for where you are and where you want to go. All the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting at the entry level, the Brother SE700 is the machine I'd recommend to anyone who wants to explore embroidery without giving up regular sewing. This hybrid handles both in one unit with 103 sewing stitches and 135 embroidery designs built in. The 4x4-inch embroidery area is perfect for patches, small logos, baby onesies, and monograms. What really sets this apart from older models is the wireless connectivity. You can send designs straight from your phone or computer using Brother's ArtsPyra app, no more fumbling with USB drives. The touchscreen makes positioning designs and picking thread colors intuitive, and the interface is one of the most beginner-friendly out there. Picture this. You download a cute custom design from Etsy, tap send on your phone, and a minute later, the machine is stitching it out while you sip your coffee. That's the simplicity the SE700 delivers. The 4x4-inch hoop does limit you on larger projects like full chest logos on adult sweatshirts, so keep that in mind if you have bigger ambitions. But as a first machine that lets you sew and embroider in one device, it's tough to beat. Now, if you already own a sewing machine and just want to add embroidery, the Brother PE545 is your best budget option. It's a dedicated embroidery-only machine sharing the same brain and wireless features as the SE700, but without the sewing components. That makes it lighter, more compact, and more affordable, the most budget-friendly way into Brother's ecosystem. Because there are fewer mechanical parts, embroidery-only machines like this tend to be slightly more reliable over time. One thing to know is that neither the PE545 nor the SE700 has automatic jump stitch trimming. When the machine moves between design elements, it leaves small thread trails you'll need to snip by hand. On simple designs, it's no big deal, but detailed text or lots of small elements can mean dozens of tiny threads to trim. For the price, though, it's a fair trade-off. The PE545 is especially great for patchmakers. Imagine setting up a little production line, hooping squares of twill, running a morale patch design, popping it out, and repeating. For an Etsy patch shop on a budget, this is a seriously efficient little workhorse. Stepping into the mid-range, the Brother PE900 is the sweet spot for anyone serious about embroidery. The jump from 4x4 to the PE900's 5x7-inch hoop is massive in terms of what you can create. Names on sweatshirts, larger chest logos, decorative borders, it all becomes possible without splitting designs. But the feature that honestly made me fall in love with this machine is the automatic jump stitch trimmer. Those annoying thread trails. The PE900 cuts them automatically as it stitches. On a design with 50 letters, that saves you 100 manual cuts. It transforms the experience from babysitting a machine with scissors to actually enjoying the process. You also get a color sort function that minimizes thread changes, faster speeds at 650 stitches per minute, and an advanced touchscreen for combining and resizing designs on the machine. Just make sure you use 90-weight bobbin thread since the machine is calibrated for it, and you'll get crisp, professional results every time. If you're buying one embroidery machine to last you years, the PE900 is the one. For those who need both sewing and embroidery at this level, the Brother SE 2000 pairs the PE900's embroidery engine with a premium sewing machine body. Same 5x7-inch field, same automatic trimmer, same wireless features, plus 241 sewing stitches and advanced features like a pivot function that lifts the presser foot at corners automatically. If you're a cosplayer, this is your dream machine. You can construct an entire costume, sewing complex seams, and then switch to embroidered detailed emblems or decorative trim without moving to a second machine. The only trade-off compared to owning a separate PE900 and sewing machine is that if one function needs service, the whole unit is down. But if desk space is tight, the SE2000 delivers beautifully on the all-in-one promise. Now, let's talk large format. The Poulin EOC06 is a real disruptor. It offers a 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery field, roughly 3 times the area of a 5x7 machine, at a price that would have been unthinkable a few years ago. 4 hoops included, a big 7-inch touchscreen, and speeds up to 860 stitches per minute. It punches way above its weight on paper. The honest truth is, the Poolin requires a different mindset than a Brother. You might need to calibrate tension manually and work with industrial file formats like DST rather than PES. Think of it this way: if you've ever enjoyed building a PC or tinkering under the hood of a car, you'll enjoy dialing this machine in. The community is active with tons of tutorials. The payoff is huge though. Imagine embroidering a full-sized logo across the back of a denim jacket, or creating large decorative panels for pillows, all on a hobbyist budget. For the hands-on maker who values capability over plug-and-play convenience, the EOC06 opens up a world of possibilities. Jumping to small business, the Buy Mirror is the machine that's launched thousands of home embroidery businesses. This 15-needle commercial machine has a 13.7 by 19.6-inch field and speeds up to 1,200 stitches per minute. 15 needles means you thread up 15 colors, and the machine switches automatically, no stopping to rethread. The cap embroidery system lets you embroider on finished baseball hats, something home machines simply cannot do, and for many small businesses, custom hats are the #1 revenue driver. Hat embroidery does have a learning curve, and the machine requires daily oiling and maintenance, more like owning a car than an appliance. But Buy's responsive support through video calls and their active community means you're never on your own. Compared to the Smart Stitch, the Buy gives you more needles and a larger field, making it the better choice for maximum versatility. The Smart Stitch S1001 Upgraded takes a different approach. It's a 10-needle machine with a 9.5 by 14.2-inch field, smaller than the Buy but still plenty for jacket backs and most orders. Where it really shines is design and user experience. It has a much more compact footprint, fitting on a sturdy table in a spare bedroom without dominating the room. The 7-inch touchscreen feels like a modern tablet rather than an industrial panel, making the transition from home machines much smoother. The standout for growing businesses is networking. You can connect multiple machines to one computer, send different designs to each, and manage production remotely. While the Buy is the better raw production machine, the Smart Stitch is the smarter pick if you're planning to scale and want a system that grows with you. So, to wrap it all up, if you want sewing and embroidery in one beginner-friendly package, the Brother SE700 is your safest bet. For embroidery only on a tight budget, the PE545 gets you in the game for less. The PE900 is hands down the best overall for serious hobbyists. That automatic trimmer alone is worth every penny. The SE2000 is perfect for multi-crafters who need premium sewing and embroidery in one footprint. If large designs are your thing and you enjoy a hands-on approach, the Poolin EOC06 gives you incredible capability. And for starting a business, the Buy Mirror delivers maximum production power, while the Smart Stitch S1001 offers a more refined, scalable home studio setup. All the links are in the description. If this helped you out, hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Happy stitching!